Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Folding a Kipsta bag is very easy. These bags are great for travel. They save a lot of space. First, lay your bag on a flat surface. Make sure the bag is empty. Smooth out all the wrinkles with your hands. Locate the small inside pocket. This pocket will become the storage pouch. Turn the bag over so the pocket is on the bottom. Fold the long sides of the bag toward the center. The bag should look like a long rectangle now. Make sure the width of the rectangle matches the width of the pocket. Now start folding from the top end. Fold the top part down in small sections. Keep folding until you reach the pocket area. Grab the pocket opening. Reach inside and pull the fabric over the folded bag. This part can be a bit tricky. Just push the corners in firmly. Zip the pocket closed if it has a zipper. Now your bag is a small neat square. It fits perfectly in a suitcase or a gym locker. You can take it anywhere without taking up room. This method works for most Kipsta duffel models. The fabric is thin but very strong. It resists tears and lasts a long time. Keeping it folded prevents mess in your closet. You can stack many of these together easily. It only takes a minute to do. Practicing a few times makes it even faster. Your gear will stay organized and ready for your next game. The bag is now compact and ready for storage. You can keep it in your car or backpack for emergencies at home.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.